What's going on, guys? Tom First Class V here, back with another GCSS Army video. And today we're going to talk about those found on installation items. So we've all been there, we've all done that, open up a drawer and we find all these parts. Like, what the heck am I going to do with these? Sometimes you may want to keep them on your shop stock, bench stock, or you might want to turn them in. So we're going to add them to our mat sit to account for them and consume them the right way. So without further ado, let's jump into MIGO. All right. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button and check out the video, especially the bench stock and shop stock series. So we're going to go into MIGO, M-I-G-O. All right, so my stuff already pre-populated for me, but in the event that it does not, okay, it's going to be A01 good receipt and R10 for other. All right, so the most important piece on this whole form right here is the receipt. This code right here, 501. It's got to be 501. All right, remember that. If it's not 501, you're going to get so many errors trying to do this. So you'll go to the material tab. Let's see, 01 500 4619. It's a LMTV tire, right? So you'll type in your material number that you're trying to add. You'll go to quantity, go to 1, and that'd be assembly. Where? So you're going to put in your plant, your S-loc, and your reason code, right? So sometimes the reason code will not populate up here. This says 0242, but we are doing 0243. 0243 is FOI, found on installation. You see it populate there. So once this is in here, make sure the item is checked for item OK. Check it. Now it's going to ask you for a batch code. So if it's serviceable, never been used, same in the packaging, it's going to be alpha. Y'all should know your recoverability codes and service codes. So it depends on your shelf life as well. All right. So this is going to be an alpha code. All right. Now, in the event that you're trying to FOI a transmission, an engine, a pump, anything that takes a serial number, there will be an additional tab here for the actual serial number. All right, keep that in mind. So we've already checked it, and all we're going to do is post it. Material is posted. All right, so we're going to go to our mat sit real fast, and I'm going to show you MRP view, plant 2000, boom, boom. So the unit should already had one of these tires on hand, but they should have two now. There you go. This is the one we just added. So that's how you add found on installation parts and materials to your mat sit. And from here, you can do many things. You know, you can give it a storage location and so forth. Okay, so keep that in mind. There's gonna be a separate video series on storage bins and MRP areas, how to set them, PD, ZV, ZM, and so forth. All right. Hope this video was helpful. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you check out the rest of the videos and hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, go Ordnance.